Back to the KSR YouTube channel. You may recognize the surroundings. We are down at the McFarland Racing shop, getting ready to do a little tuning on Mullet. We got a new shop fish. We're getting ready to get this thing fired up and start doing some tuning on alcohol. So that's pretty exciting. Should be something to make some pretty big power. And then later tonight, we're going to the track and seeing how fast she's gonna go at the racetrack. So, see if we can get started. We got some base programming done. Got our new Rife air temp sensor plugged into it. And what else did we change? Just the new injectors that we installed in my last video on Mullet. But we're about ready to strap it down and start spinning the rollers up. All right, first pull, like 10 pounds of boost. Let's see what we come up with. The green button. Pause for technical difficulties. Here we go. I think we forgot to hook the anti-roll bar back up. It's a little woo. I know, it's cool though. I like it. I felt like I was in the Blazer. It definitely is on methanol. What's that? Oh yes, I smell methanol. I think that was only like 7,000 RPM. All right, so pretty weak first pull. Had a little dip on the transition, but we'll look at the log and we'll try to get rid of that.
Power comes in. It's peak power, you know, peak boost, and you don't want to see it do the.
Yeah. All right.
That's solid.
Let's run it back.
How much boost are we gonna go for on this one? 50?
You wanna go 25?
25. That's gonna be a big jump.
It's gonna be a pretty big jump.
All right, cool. Should pick up a good bit of power.
Should be a little bit of power. All right, so 1100 on 14 pounds.
You good with this screen?
Pretty good. let's, I'm gonna review the data log because it was kind of fat on the air fuel still, and then get that cleaned up, get ready to make another pull.
If I do this side,
Fire in the hole. What a rip, Chip.
All right, so that pull was like 1309 or something. Made 19 and a half pounds of boost early, settled just under 19 at the top end of the pull. I think we're ready to make a little more power. This may be the last one. We're gonna slam it with another 20 pounds of dome and see what happens. All right, here we go. Gonna do a little bit different camera angle on this one.
Let her rip, Chip. Here we go. Yeah, it made less power. Okay, so it's spinning in. Yeah, I mean 1,220 horsepower.
Oh yeah, there's rubber back here. Yeah, there's rubber.
so here's what I'll do. I'll deflate the tires, strap it down super tight, and I'll deflate.
Woo! That sounded sick.
I think my camera is covered in sticky rubber after that one. So 28 pounds of boost means that Mullet tears the tires up on the dyno. So we're gonna try this again. Try that one again. And if it spins again, I'll ramp the boost in instead of just smashing it with everything. But hopefully the extra strapping helps. Yeah, tires are sticky now, so.
It's almost track time, so we gotta kind of wrap it up.
Yeah. I mean, we know it's making power, so now it's just.
You gotta beat dude, so.
Gotcha. What did I say I was gonna do?
50-50. Well, is that spin over?
Oh, my eyes!
No, that's not for the spin, and then it's over for the spin, and then I felt it spin early, and I'm like, oh, how do I go? So,
Oh yeah, my camera's still recording. All right, so 29.7 pounds of boost. And you can see on the graph here, we had a little bit of wheel speed right through here, but kept on digging all the way until I stepped off of it. I think it probably would have gone a little bit higher, but 1,515.9 horsepower. That's pretty good numbers out of this thing. And I still think we're conservative on timing, likely by 4 to 5 degrees, maybe even more. If you guys don't know, I tend to be fairly conservative with my tunes. I would much rather just add more boost than add timing, because timing makes cylinder pressure breaks stuff. So these things are always a balancing act. You're trying to put as much power to them as you can without hurting parts, but still going fast. But to throw another wrench in the mix, you also got to get it off the starting line and accelerate it as hard as you can without doing a wheelie or spinning. It's a fun game with these cars, but I think Mullet's going to do pretty good tonight. We've got to relearn the launch sequence because now the car makes more power at especially the lower boost numbers, makes a lot more power. So we need to get a handle on that. I think we're going to just make a few 60-foot shots to try and save some time and get some data quickly. And then we're going to go full send, see if we can knock a good bit off of the best DT for the car. So stay tuned for next video. Appreciate everybody watching and subscribing. See you guys next time.